all very happy to be at Popeyes today. And, you know, a lot of people in Naugatuck, they're telling me, how can it be so good? How do you get it so good? So from what I can tell, there's two major reasons. The technique and our recipe.
And our recipes, yes.
And we're going to go through both today and show you what we can about how to properly make a Popeye sandwich. So here we go.
Here we go.
So we get them completely open. We massage them. We get them just right.
We flour, toast the fruit patties 20 times.
We're gonna get a special.
18.
1, 2.
To the back.
So we get no splash, right?
Yep, no slaps. That's correct. Okay? Look how perfect your fillets came out.
3 times. I'll give it 3.5.
And then
The company.
the company.
They won't tell you the recipe.
Separate recipe. Everything is kept in a vault, safe, and everything.
People try and duplicate. Too hot, just right. Chicken's fantastic. All right, we need everyone to come down to Popeyes to try the spicy chicken sandwich with bacon and cheese. Mayor Pete, money back guarantee.